and wealthy tribe. How are you guys doing today? So today I have a shoulder workout for you. That's right, a shoulder, sexy shoulder. Maybe I should have worn a shirt that showed my shoulders, but I don't have that nice of shoulders. But I have a shoulder workout for you today. Just like something I just want to mention before we go into this workout. I think for women specifically, they do not train a lot of their upper body. You know, all over social media we see it's all about the butt, the glutes, the hamstrings, the butt, the legs, everything's about the lower body. Yes, it's very nice to have those aesthetics. Get it? Aesthetic. See what I did there? Anyways, it's very nice to have rounded glutes and all that stuff, and legs are so important because they are the biggest muscle group in your body. However, ladies, do not forget to work out the rest of your body, okay? It's extremely important because if you're not working out all your muscle groups, then you know what that leads to? Muscle imbalances. And you know what muscle imbalances leads to? Injuries. That's correct. And trust me, I'm speaking from experience because I have a knee injury. So it's very important that you train out all various parts of your body, which includes your shoulders. For shoulders, we want to have nice shoulders. You know why? Because when our shoulders are nice and sculpted around, it makes it really nice to wear those halter tops or those tank tops or those really nice crop tops, because those shoulders, they're sexy. Sexy shoulders are cute. Also, when your shoulders are nice and toned, it gives you the illusion of having more of an hourglass figure because your shoulders kind of mold, and then if you have a nice like tapered back, then it gives you that illusion of having a smaller waist. For me, I really struggle with my shoulders. I have extremely weak upper body in general. I have a strong chest, but I do not have a strong shoulders, and triceps are probably the hardest for me. So you can see I go pretty low in weight here because I'm building up the muscle that I used to have. But again, it's just, I can't emphasize how important it is to train all your muscle groups, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy this workout. Let's get started. Let's go work. So before we start our shoulder workout, it's really important that you warm up your shoulders first because of mobility. If you don't warm up those shoulders, then you're not going to be able to have full range of motion. So what I did is I just took a bar and I just took it all the way back to warm up my shoulders, and then I did some halos. I did a super light weight. I would recommend that you do a much heavier weight. I did 8 pounds, which is nothing to me. Usually I would do 15 pounds. But warm up those shoulders because that's going to prevent injuries in the future. So we're going to start our workout, and we're going to do supersets today for our shoulders. So let's get started.
Look at those palm trees, damn!
Now we're gonna rest for 40 seconds and do it all over again 2 more times. Okay guys, we're moving on to our next circuit. It's all on my phone, by the way, if you're wondering why I keep looking at my phone. So we're gonna do a 90-degree angle side lateral raises. We're gonna follow that by a shoulder press, and we're gonna finish up with push-ups. So again, this is a superset, so you're doing this back to back, and then you're resting anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute. Try to keep it lower if you can, because then you're gonna burn higher calories. So let's go.
Ayer la vi.
Juan Magán, Madrid, ¿cómo?
Amigas en la calle de Madrid.
El Cata, la República, ¿cómo?
Fueron los
Mister
días
todo el
más
mundo, y esto para todas las locas que vemos por ahí.
Going to finish up with our last superset, which is going to be upright barbell rows, and we are going to do crunches on the Bosu ball. After that, we will finish with a quick drill, which is going to be 30 wide grip push-ups, 30 medium grip push-ups, and 30 narrow grip push-ups. Like the most I can do on my knees is 20 of each. So let's see if I can make it to 30. Let's see. Alright guys, that is going to bring us to the end of this workout. I am going to finish it up with a little bit of HIIT training, half an hour on the treadmill. If you don't know what HIIT is, high interval intensity training. Oh my god, I might have forgot what I just said. Oh, I'm tired, okay, my shoulders hurt, don't judge me, like, I'm really tired. Okay, so that's gonna bring us to the end of this video. If you just stumbled on this channel, my name is Joanna, you can call me Yo. I vlog videos on fitness, nutrition, supplements, and every now and then I like to throw in a fun vlog. So if you like what you see here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there, and make sure you like this video because it really helps me out. So from the bottom of my heart, with lots of love, thank you for watching, and remember, health is wealth. Bye!